34 is the next problem. So if I really look at this, I'd say f prime of x is actually x divided by radical x plus 1 over x. And I could say that is x to the 1/2 plus, oh, that's radical x, x to the negative 1/2. So here, if I say what's f of x, add 1 to the power, divide by that, add 1 to the power, divide by that, I would say capital F of x is actually 2 over 3, the square root of x cubed, plus twice the square root of x plus c. I am done right there, with one minor exception. Since they told me when x equal 1, y equal 5, y equal 5 when x equal 1, the beauty of 1 raised to a cube and a radical, that's a 1 plus 2 times 1 plus c. So I have 15 equaling 2 plus 6 plus 3c. 15 equals, from algebra I clear fractions because I had a good teacher. C is 7 over 3. Replace that by 7 over 3 and you're done. And again, it would be nice for you to rewrite it nicely. 2 over 3 the square root of x cubed plus twice the square root of x plus 7 thirds. And you could check, this is a function in which when I take a derivative of and get a common denominator, I'll get that. And if I throw 1 in there, I'll get 2 thirds plus 7 thirds, 9 thirds plus 2. And if you combine this, you're going to get a 5, 15 thirds. One more to go. And I wanted to really look at number 38. So here we are. Here, I want to undo 2 derivatives. That could happen. I'll start with f of t equal, actually before that, I'm going to start with f double prime of t equaling 4 minus 6t to the negative 4. If I take a derivative, an antiderivative, that is 4t minus 6, add 1 to the power, divide by that, plus c. Don't forget that. Every time you forget that plus c, you lose a point. F prime of t is 4t plus 2 over t cubed plus c. Since I know what the derivative is, well, I could say, look, f prime of 2, so when you replace t by 2, f prime will be a 9. 9 would equal 8 plus, and what is that? 2 1/4 plus c. So here, I'm going to say 1 equal 1/4 plus c. Oh, that's okay. 3/4 equals c. So take this out, throw a 3/4 in, and now f prime of t would be 4t plus 2 over t cubed plus 3/4. Now, I'm thinking of this as 2t to the negative 3. If I take another antiderivative, add 1 to the power, divide by that, add 1 to the power, divide by that, 3/4 t plus c. You could call it d if you wish. So I'm looking at f of t equaling 2t squared minus 1 over t squared plus 3/4 t plus c. And the same deal happens again. I know that when t is 1, f is 6. 6 equals 2 minus 1 plus 3/4 plus c. So this is a 1. I could say 24 equal 4 plus 3 plus 4c. That's a 7. 7 minus, that's 17. And c would be 17 over 4. And I could replace that by 17 over 4. And that would be my answer. And there's the homework. I'm giving you the option to do odd or every other odd. You know, if after every other odd it seems you're not getting the idea, I suggest you do all the odds. This is really important, but you could pick it up really